Digital's the best, right?
Right.
Good. I don't want any more fucking break-ins. Drives my rent prices down. Next thing they'll want is some fucking cameras. Not on my dime. You know, you come pretty highly recommended.
Well, Uncle Frank's been around a long time.
No. Not Uncle Frank. You.
Someone referred me?
Yeah. The girl who works with me. April Bennett. She a friend of yours?
Something like that.
I get it. Yeah. She's a piece. Who's there? Whoever you are. You ever hear of Section 198.5? California Penal Code? It's called the Castle Doctrine. It states that if I ever fear for my safety, I have the legal right to defend myself and take the life of an intruder in my home. Because that's the risk you took here tonight. Because this is my motherfucking castle!